Hello and a very warm welcome to another exciting, brand new episode of your favorite program, Colors of India. I'm Tina Jha, bringing you all the cultural events in the city during the past week. First up, the highlights of today's episode. Our focus this week is on ancient pottery, the art form which speaks volumes about our great tradition. Next, an evening of exquisite Odissi dance recitals. And finally, a vocal sitar, Jugalbandi. Among the oldest forms of art known to man is pottery. Modeling a piece of clay, then firing and glazing it to create a vessel or decorative object. The art has now come a long way since then. The sophistication of what's produced rises, but somewhere the basics are the same. In all the hubbub of Delhi, here's a potter's life and story.
One-year-old Harkishan Prajapati takes immense pride in the daily operations in his potter's yard. From preparation of the clay mold to setting up his potter's wheel and then taking them to furnace.
हमारा आजकल ऐसा मन हो रहा है कि जो लोगों के घरों में जो ज़रूरत की चीज़ें हैं मैं खास करके जो यूजफुल चीज़ें हैं मैं उनको ज़्यादा डेवलपमेंट कर रहा हूँ। आजकल ऐसा हो रहा है, मैंने देखा है पहले मिट्टी के बर्तन में सब कुछ होता था ना, आजकल एल्युमिनियम का मिल गया, स्टील का मिल गया या और किसी किस्म का मिल गया है, तो उसी में दही को जमा देते हैं।
See him here shaping a clay pot on his wheel. Gentle yet firm, a pressure that has to be just right. He makes it look so easy, no mathematical equation. This is intrinsic human skill at its best. The result of years of experience. That feeling of working on even a simple piece, Prajapati says, is akin to the art of creation. Pottery as an art he rules is a fading art form, primarily because of low earning and profit, at least for the artisan, but it's filled with essential satisfaction and joy.
सालों से काम करते आ रहे हैं, तो तरह तरह के अगरबत्ती स्टैंड हमने बनाए, तो हम आजकल देख रहे हैं कहीं नेट से, कहीं टीवी से, कहीं अखबार से, कहीं एग्जीबिशन वगैरह में देखते रहते हैं, सोचते रहते हैं, डिज़ाइन डेवलप करते रहते हैं, नई नई चीज़ें हम जो है क्रिएट करते हैं।
Some of the masterpieces of creation, storage containers, cooking and serving utensils, jars, vessels, cups, vats, serving plates as well as pots, covering materials for daily life and much more.
इस उर्ली में हमने मिट्टी को हाई टेम्परेचर किया है, उसमें मिनरल और अपनी ऑर्डिनरी कले वो सब मिक्स करके हाई टेम्परेचर का बना करके उसका ये उर्ली बनाई है। और ये उर्ली में इसमें जो है ना टेबल वेयर में ये शामिल होती है। आप इसमें चाहे फ्रूट बोल बना लो, चाहे राइस बोल बना लो, चाहे और इसमें कोई भी सामान सलाद वगैरह भी रख सकते हैं, तो ये उसमें इस्तेमाल होता है।
But in today's world, it goes much further. To designer stuff made either for the market or as part of social and charitable activity. Like these designer diyas made for a blind school.
जो हमने जो दिया बनाया है उसमें एक जो हमने ऊपर लाइनें डाली हैं, स्टैंड वाला दिया है, इसमें एक चोंच बनाते हैं। वो चोंच भी एक जैसे आपने देखा होगा ब्रास में ढोकरा क्राफ्ट का, तो वो लाइनें और वो जो चोंच है वो एक उनका बस्तर का एक स्टाइल सा है। तो हमने जो हम दिल्ली में रहते हैं तो ये ब्लाइंड स्कूल में हम इसकी सप्लाई करते हैं, तो उसमें जो है ना ये हमने वो चीज़ें दिखाई है, एक स्टैंड, एक ढोकरा का लाइन है और वो एक चोंच है, ये उसका लिए बना। इसमें नॉर्मल मिट्टी हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं।
All the patience, all the measuring and trimming and designing pays off in the thrill of turning creator. Pride and joy, the ultimate goal lies there.
Well, we all have a special link to earthenware. It may be because somewhere we ourselves are from the same concoction, that's clay. Old times were full of it. Today it's a novelty, a souvenir for the tourist. But the art of pottery thrills no less. On that note, we'll take a very short break here. Lots more lined up on the other side. Coming up ahead, mythical moves that are sure to wow you. So stay tuned. Welcome back after the break. Well, classical dancers have celebrated the love story of Lord Krishna and Radha for centuries. Now, this performance here dwells on the same theme, only taken to a whole new level of finesse and brilliance. Take a look for yourself.
India's most loved Odissi dancer, Sujata Mohapatra, dances to live music that sings of love and the divine. The performance is based on the Gita Govind, a 12th century work that explores the relationship between Krishna and the gopis, especially Radha. Sujata depicts the love story in the most sensuous manner, highlighting the beauty of the human body.
Radha is saying to her friend, please go, oh my friend, get me that Krishna to whom I once again wants to have love with him. And then, of course, all these items is being choreographed by my father-in-law, Padma Vibhushan Guru Sri Kelucharan Mahapatra. Being an Oriya, I always want to have a Oriya Vinaya in between my repertoire.
Disciple of the great Guru Kelucharan, Sujata is one of the most eminent Odissi dancers today.
Lakshmi Kantam Kamalanayanam Lakshmi Kantam Kamalanayanam Lakshmi Kantam.
She has become a national icon in the classical dance form, and her experienced troupe has performed with her across the country and abroad.
वंदे विष्णु भवभयहरं वंदे विष्णु भवभयहरं।
ये जो था हमारा जो स्टोरी था, लास्ट वाला स्टोरी, ये था रामायण। इसको लिखा है द ग्रेट राइटर ऑफ उड़ीसा, कवि सम्राट उपेंद्र भंज, एंड म्यूजिक पंडित भुवनेश्वर मिश्र, एंड नृत्य संरचना गुरु पद्म विभूषण केलचूड़ महापात्र जी। ये आइटम में जो सीता का जो रोल है, सीता कैसे पंचवटी में गए थे, मृग के पीछे भाग भाग कर, वो जो स्टोरी है पहले से लेकर लास्ट तक, कैसे जटायु मुख्य, इसके बाद युद्ध, ये सब पूरा रामायण का स्टोरी था। बहुत आनंद आया।
सगम सगम मम मदनी 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 नी।
The Margaret Dhello Annual Spirit of India Award is conferred on an eminent classical musician or dancer in recognition of services to Indian classical music and dance overseas.
सगम गमध मदनी धनि सा सारे सगरि सनि नि सनि रे सनि ध मद मनि ध मग रे गरि मगरि सा।
Odissi is always, very sweet, brings out all the beauty that Kelucharan Mahapatra, her father-in-law, taught her, and she has preserved his learning, and she has become famous.
The 35-year-old Spirit of India program is presented in partnership with major art festivals and art organizations with the aim to promote Indian music and dance in Australia and New Zealand.
Well, the overwhelming story and performance left the audience spellbound. With that, we'll take another quick break. Be right back. On the other side is a perfect blend of music and tradition. Welcome back once again. Music and tradition have both been complexly interwoven for thousands of years in our country. The Society for Action through Music keeps the tradition alive, but goes beyond entertainment to the root flavors of classical, vocal and instrumental music. Listen in.
It's a gathering of music enthusiasts and connoisseurs from around the country. A musical evening to honor Pandit Gama Maharaj. The coming together of India's biggest talents in the instrumental and vocal genre on a single platform in Delhi is what makes the evening special.
हमारी कला जो है समय और समाज के साथ जुड़ी हुई है। समय बदलता है, समय के साथ समाज बदलता है और समाज के साथ संगीत बदलता है। एस्थेटिक सेंस बहुत बदला है, उसमें सुधार आया है। पहले का गाना बजाना जो होता था उसमें चमत्कार ज़्यादा होता था, दिमाग को हिला देने वाली बात। अभी दिल को छूने की बात होती है। पहले कला पे जोर दिया जाता था, अब कला के साथ परिधान पर भी जोर दिया जाता है। हमारा संगीत जो है बहती गंगा के समान है और वो अनवरत प्रवाहित होते रहने के लिए ज़रूरी है कि वो बदलता रहे, नहीं तो फिर उसमें गंदगी आ जाएगी, सड़ांध आ जाएगी।
Instrumental forms have existed since the ancient times. In fact, in recent decades, instrumental music is more popular than vocal, partly due to the different styles and faster tempo. To showcase exactly this, here is Professor Pandit Sahitya Kumar Nahar on the sitar. Nahar learned his skills under his father Guru late Prahlad Prasad Mishra, Pandit R.A. Jha and Pandit Nikhil Banerjee. He has composed more than 200 compositions in different rags in sitar under both Gaiki and Tantra style. Nahar definitely made an impact on the audience with his profound music and his magnificent control over it.
क्लासिकल म्यूज़िक बहुत पुराने समय से चला आ रहा है। कहा जाता है कि क्लास के लिए था, है और रहेगा, मगर फिर भी आज युवाओं में भी इसकी ओर बहुत ज़्यादा एक दौड़ सी चल पड़ी है, क्योंकि बिना क्लासिकल म्यूज़िक के हमारा कल्चर जो स्ट्रेंथन नहीं माना जा सकता है। संगीत साधना, संगीत शिक्षण और संगीत सेवा ये मैं कर रहा हूँ।
Vocalist Shiv Prasad Rao also enchanted the audience. He comes from a family of musical greats. As a young boy, Shiv Prasad learned Hindustani music in vocals from his father, Pandit Maheshwar Rao in Gwalior Parampara. He is now under the tutelage of Pandit Vikas Kashalkar, disciple of Pandit Gajanan Rao Joshi, a stalwart of Gwalior, Jaipur and Agra Gharana. Shiv Prasad is also undergoing training in the intricacies of Jaipur and Agra styles of Gaiki and is a graded artist of Akashvani. His expertise in various the styles is what truly touched the audience's hearts in Delhi.
The evening was reminiscent of a famous quote, where words fail, music speaks. We hope you liked the performance. And with that, it's time for me to wrap up this episode of Colors of India. We'll see you same time next week with another bunch of exciting and colorful stories. Until then, take very good care of yourself. It's a goodbye from the entire team.